Welcome to Kids Learning TV. What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Where do you live?
I live in Sydney.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Which class do you like?
I like my science class.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Green.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
What is your favorite game?
I like playing tag.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Noah.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my blue car.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a puppy.
What is your pet's name?
His name is Toby.
What is your favorite animal?
I like elephants.
What do you like to do after school?
I like to play in the park.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Baby Shark.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
What is your favorite sport?
I like to play football.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, a little bit.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw houses.
What is your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like bread and jam.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I like soup and bread.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate ice cream.
What is your favorite place to visit?
I like going to the zoo.
Who do you play with at school?
I play with my friends Mia and Noah.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturday.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer.
What do you do on weekends?
I ride my bike and play games.
What makes you happy?
Playing with my puppy makes me happy.
What makes you laugh?
Funny stories make me laugh.
What makes you feel proud?
When I get good marks in school.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite flower?
I like roses.
What is your favorite weather?
I like sunny days.
What is your favorite thing to wear?
I like my red t-shirt.
Subscribe for more.